This video summarises our work on a preliminary workshop to introduce children and young people with sight loss to social robots. Social robots seem a promising tool for children and young people with sight loss, but they'll be a novel technology to the majority of users. We need to understand how to introduce these users to robots without relying heavily on visual information to communicate affordances. We also want this first interaction to be fun and engaging, which has led to the idea of using a game to introduce and explore a robot's functionality. This research invited the participation of children and young people with sight loss to investigate these aspects. The workshop took place at Heriot-Watt University with 4 participants aged between 10 and 15. The images at the top show the 5 technologies that the participants interacted with, which were Miro, Now, Pepper, Ari, and an ultrasonic feedback device. Please see the paper for more information on the descriptions provided to participants and the interactive demonstrations for each of the technologies. Participants completed questionnaires after each demonstration and had a one-to-one semi-structured interview at the end of the workshop. Firstly, we noticed some trends in how the participants explored the robots, such as using both hands to explore the robot from top to bottom and spending more time at interesting features like Pepper's lifelike hands. Secondly, participants had very positive impressions of social robots, giving high ratings for the robot's perceived social attributes as well as their own interaction experience. Thirdly, participants liked the idea of a game for a first interaction and wanted it to include a variety of interaction modalities and to be pitched at an appropriate level of difficulty. The workshop also raised some key themes for future work with children and young people with sight loss, namely how to enable tactile exploration, clarify safety aspects, and communicate robot emotion. We intend to use the Insights game to plan a larger participatory design workshop. Outcomes will then be used to develop and evaluate a robot-led self-introduction.